Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. When I turn on my laptop, I'm getting the blue screen of death. Your PC ran into problems and needs to restart. If you are facing the similar issue, this video is for you. I will show you how to fix it. When I again try to turn it on, again giving me the same error and it is automatically rebooting. Stop code could be different on your system, but this video now it is going into the automatic repair options. If you can't get these options, recovery options, what you need to do is you need to shut down your system forcefully 2 to 3 times. So let me show you how you can forcefully shut down your system and get the recovery options. Just turn off your system properly. You can press and hold the power button here or here, but wherever you have, just need to press it. Now once it is completely shut down, you just need to turn it on. And as soon as the window loads from here, you just need to shut it down. Forcefully press the power button like this and repeat the same process. Turn it on again and just turn it off. Do the same process again. Just turn it off again. And now once you turn it on your system 3 times, you will get the recovery options. Preparing automatic repair. And here is the options which we needed. Diagnosing your PC. If your system is not booting at all and you are not able to get the recovery options while performing these steps, just make a bootable pen drive of same operating system and then you can follow the on screen instructions. You might get a different error like your PC couldn't start correctly or automatic repair, but whatever the error you are getting here, you just need to click on advanced options and then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options. And now step number 1, we are going to perform the system restore. Just you need to select this option system restore and this will restore your system to working state. Select this option, then choose your username, then you need to put the password. If password is saying wrong, just select your keyboard to US and then click on continue. And now you can select here next and choose the latest system restore on your system and then click on next, click on finish and click on yes. So this is the step number 1 to troubleshoot this issue. If this option is not working and you haven't made the system restore point and getting the red error, so we have the fix for you also. Just click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and from here just open the command prompt. And once you open here the command prompt, few commands you need to type here: sfc space / scan now. Press enter and this command will repair your Windows corruption if any. And sometime this command may fail on your system, so we can use the command with the offline command and very powerful sfc space / scan now. And this time we need to give space / and then you need to type for off boot dir is equal to C. You need to select your operating system drive. Most of the systems are installed in C drive and then this / give a space / and then you need to type for off win dir is equal to c colon again, and then this slash backward slash windows. And once you type this command carefully, you can see here this is the command. Press the enter key, and this will scan the your system again with the offline setup. And this is very powerful way to fix the Windows corruption. You just need to wait here until it's completed. It took almost 5 to 10 minutes. Now once it is completed, you need to type here exit and just continue with Windows 10 or 11. If that is working for you, well and good. If that is also not working for you this step, what we can do is open the troubleshoot again, advanced options, command prompt, and now we are going to repair our BCD files here, the booting files. In order to repair your booting files, the command you need to type here is boot rec space forward slash fix mbr. Now once you hit this command, you should able to see operation completed successfully. Next command is boot rec space forward slash fix boot. And if you see this error, access is denied, what you need to do is you need to type here the command boot sect space forward slash nt 60 and sys. Press enter, and now you need to again hit that command, this command boot rec space slash fix boot. Now it's completed successfully. You need to type the command then boot rec space forward slash rebuild bcd and press enter, and you should able to get it's completed successfully. Now type here exit and continue with Windows 10 or 11. Now my window is booted successfully, and if issue is fixed, then well and good. If somehow you are not able to log in here, and if you are able to log in here, that I should recommend you to back up your data into the D drive, so that if nothing works we can reset our PC. If you are not able to get your access your PC like this and not able to boot anymore, just again go to recovery options, troubleshoot, advanced options, open the startup settings, click on restart. Now you need to press here F4 or F5 key. F5 key, enable safe mode with networking. Just select this option F. Simply open your control panel from here and look for the program which you have recently installed. Just open the programs and features and look for the program which is recently installed and just uninstall it. Just you can filter it out from here, latest, like this, and simply uninstall it. So if your system is also not booting into the safe mode, that means that the issue is bigger. And if you are able to boot your system into the safe mode without any error, that means that there is some third party software which is causing the issue, any drivers or other things. Now if your system is successfully booted without any error, that means that the error is related to the third party software and its services. And if nothing works for you guys, what you can do is you can open your command prompt again, and we can restore our registry. How we can restore our registry? These are the steps. Very carefully you need to watch it. So in order to check your the drive letter where the Windows is installed, you need to type where the command C colon then dir, and you should able to get here program files users Windows directly like this. If you are not able to get it, you can look for d colon dir and see if there is any directory. So I have the directory into my C drive, so I can go to the C colon and dir, and you can see I have this. Now next command what I need to do is, now we need to go to the cd space Windows backward slash system 32 backward slash config, press enter. Now press enter the command again, md space backup. Window automatically makes the backup for registry, so type here this md backup, and we are also making the backup of registry. If anything goes wrong, we can restore our system again. So we have made the backup of registry. Next command you need to type here is copy space asterisk shift and dot, then dot asterisk and space and then backup. So we are going to copy the backup. Now you can see 11 copy has been successfully copied here. If you get any kind of error like already exists, you can type backup 1 or 2. Now type here the command cd regback and then press dir to see the directory inside it, and you can see now in my case the guys there is no default SAM security software and system folder here. But if you found those folders and with the valid number before those like 124,000 like that, but if you have again 00 before the default SAM security software and system folder, then you can exit out, you are not able to execute the next command. But if you have valid numbers before these 5 softwares and registry editors, you need to type for the command copy space asterisk dot asterisk space dot dot and press enter. Once you press enter, it will ask you to overwrite, so press here capital A to all and then you need to select OK, and registry backup will be done into the new folder, and then you need to press here simply exit and continue with Windows 10 or 11, and you should able to fix the issue any kind of related to software registry changes you have made or something goes wrong with the drivers. This should able to fix our issue. If nothing works for you guys after applying these advanced methods, I should recommend you to backup your data and simply go ahead and reset your PC. You can choose your keep my files or remove everything, that is up to you, and simply go ahead and try to local reinstall or cloud download. Simply go ahead and reset your PC. If reset is also not working on your PC, what you can do is you can just make a bootable pen drive and then you can reinstall a fresh window on your computer. Remove all the personal files in account, remove all apps changes to this meet, remove all the apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, reinstall the Windows from this device. Just click on reset and your PC is going to reset. So these are the possible solutions to fix your PC ran into a problems and needs to restart. And I hope guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.